Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Salman, your English teacher. Students, today I am going to discuss our summer vacation task with you students. And it is lecture number 6 and it is the last lecture for the month of May. Student, in this lecture we are going to learn how to write a letter. So first of all we will discuss the letter which we are supposed to write. So it's about to write a letter to a friend discussing sharing different productive creative activities to do while staying at home quarantine. Students, what is letter writing? A letter is a written message that can be handwritten or printed on paper. It is usually sent to the recipient via mail or post in an envelope. Although this is not a requirement as such, any such message that is transferred via post is a letter or लेटर कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स. तो लेटर क्या होता है? लेटर जो है वो दो बंदों के बीच में एक रिटन फॉर्म में बातचीत का जरिया बनता है. और ये क्या होता है? इट इज यूजुअली सेंट टू द रेसिपिएंट वाया मेल और पोस्ट, मेल के जरिए और पोस्ट के जरिए एनवेलप में हम इसको भेजते हैं. फॉर्मल लेटर. स्टूडेंट्स, इन लेटर राइटिंग वी हैव थ्री टाइप ऑफ लेटर्स: फॉर्मल लेटर, informal letter and semi-formal letter. But in this lecture we will just discuss the formal letter and the informal letter. So the formal letter is that letter in which we write to the respected person, like to the institute, to a principal, to an officer. And the informal letter is that letter which we write to our friend, our colleague, our brother, our sister, etc. So in formal letter we are supposed to write our address on the right side of the page, and after that we have to put the salutation. Salutation means greeting, like respected madam, respected principal, executive officer, etc., etc. After that we put the body of the letter. What is the body of the letter? In the body of the letter we write the exact message which we want to write, that the purpose of the letter. And after that we close it with the complimentary closing. Subject of the letter is to be put in the formal letter, and its place is after the salutation. And in the very last we put our name, and the closing must be like your faithfully, your sincerely. You can put you can finish it with the your faithfully if you know the address. If you don't know the address, then you can put your sincerely. Students, in informal letter we write our address on the same side, the right side, and after that we put the date, and we start with the greeting, like dear friend, dear Ozair, etc. And after that opening, content, and content we put the message which we want to write, and after that we close this letter. And in the very last we can put your lovingly, your sincerely, etc. So student, I have written some letter for you, and these are two type of letters. The very first is to suggest something while staying at home quarantine to a friend, and the second one is that how I spend my quarantine time at home. So this is the letter in which you are going to suggest to your friend that how to spend the vacation, or how to spend the quarantine time at home. So examination hall ABC, and the date. Examination hall, why we don't write our own address? Because it is the board pattern, and we must have to follow the board pattern. So after that, dear friend, you can write the name of the friend. Hope this letter will find you in good health. I am safe here and I hope the same for you. There is no doubt that the lockdown changed our everyday life. We now find ourselves at home only able to go out for essential things like getting groceries or medicines. With talks of an extended home quarantine being necessary to flatten the curve, it seems that we will find ourselves inside our homes for another few weeks. Below are 5 productive things that you can do while you are still stuck at home. तो ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो आप घर में कर सकते हैं. लर्न अ न्यू स्किल, आप एक नया स्किल जो है वो लर्न कर सकते हैं. एक नया स्किल, चाहे वो जो है रीडिंग में हो, चाहे वो कोई चीज़ बनाने में हो, चाहे वो कोई गेम खेलने में हो, तो आप जो है वो इसको एक्वायर कर सकते हैं. Whether it is hard or a soft skill, it is definitely a plus to acquire a new one to add to your resume that could further your career. Learning how to cook or home repair are also skills that will come handy during these times. Start watching YouTube videos and dust off those recipe books. Shorten that book list. Bookworms have this never-ending list of to read books, and being at home all the time seems to be the perfect time to take off some titles on that list. Start a new hobby. अपनी हॉबी भी गार्डनिंग जो है आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. आप जो है स्टैम्प कलेक्टिंग कर सकते हैं, कैलीग्राफी कर सकते हैं. तो ये एक नई हॉबी जो है होगी. अब अटेंड अ क्लास, तो जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि वी हैव स्टार्टेड द वेकेशन क्लासेस on YouTube. So you have to take benefit of these classes. Take advantage of schoolmates, some of their courses for free instead of watching the same kid video for the next time. A few minutes a day to learn something new. तो आप क्या करें, जो नया आपके पास नई क्लासेस, जो नए लेक्चर आते हैं, आप उसको टाइम दें और उससे फ़ायदा उठाएं. Stay home and stay safe. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Hope this letter finds you in good health. I am safe here and I hope the same for you. I am utilizing my holidays with learning new things day by day. तो ये वो लेटर है जो इसमें आप बता रहे हैं कि आप क्वारंटीन टाइम जो है वो कैसे गुजारते हैं. I am feeling so happy now because due to these holidays I have more time to spend with my family. At normal days we will go to school at morning 7 and return at the time of 1:30 p.m. But now I am spending a lot of time together with my family. We are doing creative things. I am learning new things beside education. We had a lot of time to speak and enjoy. After many days I am relieved from the stress caused by the school. It feels so natural to be with my family. Spending a quality time with my parents made me the happiest person ever. Write me about your experience at staying home with family. No more to pen. Convey my regards to your parents. Please ड्रॉप और रिप्लाई सून. और ये फिर जो है तीसरा लेटर है और ये भी इसी तरह है. इसमें आप जो है क्या कर रहे हैं, आप अपने दोस्त को बताते हैं कि आप क्वारंटीन में जो है क्या एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है कि आपको ये लेक्चर समझ आ